Hi, we are doing trigonometrical ratio. If cot theta is 1, find the value of 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. So what is given to us? Cot theta is equal to 1, right? And we know tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. It's the reciprocal. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta and tan theta is 1 by cot theta. So what will be tan theta? Tan theta will be 1 by 1, that is 1, right? Now we got tan theta. Now sin square theta. What we know? We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. One thing we know this. And what we know? Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Fine. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is 1. So in this case, in this particular case, sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta will become equal to cos theta. If sin theta is equal to cos theta, that means sin square theta will also be equal to cos square theta, right? So we will put the value of in this equation. That is, we can write it as sin square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta की जगह पे we will write sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta is equal to 1. So what will be sin square theta? 1 by 2, right? Now putting the values, substituting the values. 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. This is the case. Tan square we got. Tan square. Tan theta is 1. So tan square theta is also 1. So 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, that is sin square theta minus 3. So this will become 5 plus 1 minus 3. So 5 plus 1 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. You can even do this sum by finding the perpendicular base and height and then finding sin theta and tan theta with the help of ratios. Here I have used the identity. You can even solve it using the identity, the simple identity, or you can find the values of sin theta, tan theta by the ratios, that is perpendicular base and height. Fine.